In this video, we will take a closer look at a couple of the many features that make MyAssets a standout addition to the Emerson experience, the device list and the device detail pages. The MyAssets homepage, also known as the device list, offers you a broad view of your site's assets. To switch between customers, sites, and locations, you can use the menu at the top of the page. You will be able to see and sort by your Emerson product's lifecycle status, whether that be active, supported, or obsolete. You can further filter your devices by device type category or device state for an even more customized view of what assets you have on your site. MyAssets will also store your non-Emerson devices. Simply click Create New Device and fill out the required fields, or you can import the device's information from a CSV file. When you scroll down on the device list page, you'll find that you can also sort by tag, serial number, base model, and location. Clicking on your device's tag or serial number will bring you to its device detail page. From here, there are a number of ways you can manage your asset. At first glance, you can view images, videos, and basic device details. Select an action from the drop-down on the top right to make changes to your device. You can edit, add components, generate QR codes for easy sharing, or even request service. Your device page also includes a comprehensive timeline of your asset's history and scheduled events, more intricate device details, documents such as manuals and guides, spare parts you can directly add to cart, and educational resources. Thank you for watching. Contact us with questions or concerns.